Alright, so hari ni apa yang kita nak buat adalah cam machining untuk proses turning atau lathe. Sampel yang kita ada untuk exercise ni adalah bolt blank. Okay. Model yang kita ada ni sampel bolt blank sebelum kita buat dia punya thread Okay. So untuk proses turning hanya melibatkan proses dekat cam yang ada profile roughing, profile finishing groove, face, part, thread Okay, yang ini saja. Untuk sesi ni tak akan cover thread. Okay. Hanya cover face, profile finishing, profile roughing. Okay. Jadi sebelum apa-apa, benda yang perlu kita buat adalah setup dulu. Okay. Jadi bila dah masuk function setup, benda yang pertama adalah atas ni, mesin, jenis mesin Okay. Biasanya dia akan start kosong tak ada apa-apa. Disebabkan saya dah buat sekejap tadi, jadi dia automatic save. Right. So first of all, click select. Okay. Previously kita dah buat milling. Right now we are going to do the turning. Okay. Click turning. Bila klik turning, Autodesk akan list out 2 machine type yang ada, generic lathe dengan generic Milton lathe. Okay. Kita ambil generic Milton lathe ni. Sebab apa? Sebab kalau pakai generic lathe ni, dia tak dapat nak generate Fanuc tak dapat generate untuk dia punya machine coding lah atau CNC program. Okay. Ambil generic Milton lathe, klik OK. Right. Bila kita ambil tu, automatically tadi kita punya stock yang warna kuning ni adalah stock, change from box type to cylinder type. Alright. And then we notice that kita punya our 3D triad ada kompas adalah at the back of the workpiece lah. So we need to move the 3D triad from behind of the workpiece to the front. Okay. And then one more thing that we notice, okay, you can notice that is in the green box. Okay. In green box there is chuck. So the chuck supposed to be at the back lah. Okay. The blue one is the safe zone. Alright. Safe zone maksudnya every rapid movement is going to do outside of the zone. Dia bila akan masuk fit adalah dari sini ke sini. Alright. Ni adalah fit zone lah. Okay. Fit zone. Ni safety zone. Okay. Safety plane. Okay. Safety plane. Jadi and then the other side ni adalah rapid movement. Bila mata akan bergerak secara laju, rapid. Bila sampai safe zone dia akan mula jalan dengan speed feed rate lah. Alright. So apa yang kita kena perlu buat adalah nak ubahkan kita punya 3D triad ni ke depan. Okay. Untuk ubah, change the 3D triad to the front ialah kita akan tengok dekat sini, work coordinate system. Okay, by the way, before we go further lagi, okay, kat sini ada setup ni kan. Tadi previously kita dah set atas ni, and then kita akan masuk setup bawah ni. Okay. Certain machine, okay, kadang certain Autodesk kadang-kadang dia dah start dengan milling macam ni. Even though kita dah select Milton lathe atas ni kan, kat bawah ni kadang-kadang dia tak auto masuk ke turning. So what we need to do is select turning or Milton. Right. Just be careful Okay. Usually when we change machine type kat sini, atas ni machine type ni, automatically bawah ni dia change sekali. Tapi just be careful, double check first. Alright. And then under the setup dialog box, make sure the spindle, okay, selection spindle is put to primary spindle. Okay, don't use secondary spindle, yeah. Okay. Alright, next, after machine is selected, setup is done, and then what we are need to do is the work coordinate system. Under work coordinate system, Autodesk inventor will automatically detect the data point for the project. So in previously in inventor 3D model, okay, model section, okay, we look at the first sketch, okay. Why inventor detect back of the model is its front? Because of the datum we choose. Okay. If I start the sketch from here to the back, automatically inventor will detect this is the front. So because of this, because of I choose to draw in second section, okay, first, second, third, fourth, then inventor detect at the back of the model is the front. Okay. Alright. So back to the setup. Alright, back to the setup. See what did I mention earlier? Even though we select machine generate Milton lathe, setup operation still remain to milling. So change back to Milton. Alright. And then the 3D direct is auto detect to the center. Okay, we just need move it to the front. So how? Okay. In the work coordinate system WCS, in the orientation, okay, the X mark that the 3D triad is position is already selected. Okay, just what we need to do is just click flip Z axis. Okay, when we click the Z axis, when we check flip Z axis, the position of the 3D triad will move to the front. Okay, I show you now. See, when I select on the flip Z axis, the 3D triad automatically went to the front, and change also follow that the safe zone will follow the 3D triad, and the chart will go behind. Alright, so don't change the safe Z offset, just follow it. And then chart also don't change anything on the chart setup. Finish on the setup, we need to change the stock, bukan socks, stock, bukan stokin, stock. Alright, so let me change the view. Okay, and then what we're going to do is, okay, normally the distance from our model to the stock here is 5 mm. Okay, usually it's 5 mm. Right, and the back is also 5. Okay, and then what we need to change is the diameter. So change to nearly we need to add another 5 mm lah. Okay, so just put in 25. Alright, model position is center. Okay, possible, boleh. Okay, total length stock adalah 40 mm. Also possible. Okay, if not we can choose, no, just take 40 and then click OK. Okay, so our setup is done. Right, our setup is done, and what we need to do is the first process is profile roughing. Right, so profile roughing, click on the icon of profile roughing, will come out another dialog box. Okay, then we need to go from left to right, tool, geometry, radii, passes and linking. Okay, and then from left to right, and in on each tab, top to bottom. Okay, alright, so step 1, we need to choose tools. Okay, click on the tool icon, tool button. Okay, and then it will come out a new dialog box. Alright, and then so scroll down on the top left dialog box, scroll down to find, search for turning sample. Alright, and then first tool we going to use is the top one. Okay, CNMT question mark T308 CNMT right hand. Okay, okay, carbide, don't know what, apa tak tahu. Okay, so ini adalah dia punya mata alat yang salah. Okay, we can double click or we can select and click select on the bottom. Alright, so when we done selecting the tools, okay, the tool sample will automatically pop out in the display. Alright, don't change anything else under don't change anything else in the dialog box. Okay, just need to select tools and then click on the geometry. Okay, don't change anything on the geometry. Radii, don't change anything. Passes, still don't change anything. Linking also. So under profile roughing, what we need to do first is use what the inventor give. Okay, after that, after all process are done, later on we can tweak the process. Okay, so click OK. Alright, inventor will provide the toolpath. Okay, so but what you notice is okay, as you can see, okay, you can see here, the inventor automatically machine out a groove over here. Okay, we did not don't need this. What we need is inventor to cut straight line, follow straight to over here, not this recess. Okay, so how we to what we need to solve this, what is process to solve this recess? Click edit back, go into the profile roughing, click edit, and then we go to passes. Right, in passes tab, go to cycle and direction. Okay, cycle and direction, go to grooving process. Here, grooving function. Okay. Allow radial grooving. Change that to don't allow. Okay, and then click OK. Right, see? Previously, inventor give a recess cut here. Then when we don't allow grooving, the cut is straight line. Okay. Why we want to do this? Because later on this polygon will be made with milling process. Okay. So if we satisfied with the suggestion for inventor, we go to the next process. Okay, after profile roughing, okay, in Malay language, profile roughing ni potong kasar. Okay, potong kasar, potong laju, okay, profile roughing. We need to clean up the surface, okay, and then we choose profile finish. Right, profile finish. First step adalah we need to change tool. Okay, and then click tool. On the top left box, dialog box, go and find search the turning sample. In the turning sample, we take the second tool, cutting tool. We are using VNMT, right hand. Okay, select it. You can double click it, or you can highlight and click select. So after selection, the tool will pop up into the display, right? Right. So, and then what we need to do is don't change anything else under here. Okay. Don't change anything on geometry. Don't change anything on radii. What we need to do is at the tab of passes tab. Okay, we need to change grooving. Okay, we need to change grooving from allow radial grooving to don't allow grooving. Because of what? Because we know in the previous process when we choose allow radial process, at the back of the workpiece, inventor will automatically give a process that cut recess into the side of the at the back of the workpiece. Okay, don't allow, click OK. Right, see, right, the cut is straight, right, the tool line, tool path is straight. Alright, so okay, I noticed that I skip one process, facing, right? So it's okay. After finish, okay. Before we start anything else, okay, we need to put face. Alright. Change, sama je. Change tool. Go to turning sample. Take the first cutting tool. Click select. Okay. It will cut the front lah. Alright. So, cuma what we need to do is passes. We need to click multiple passes. So we put to step over, we take to 2 mm. Click OK. Don't change anything else. We just need to change tool type and passes. Okay. Click OK. So what we need to do is click, hold to move the process up. See? Okay. Right. After all of this, what we need to do is simulate. Oops. On stock. To path mode, change to tail or for operation. Double check on the timeline so there is no red line. Everything is nice. Okay. So, siapa yang dah sampai sini, tahniah. Next to other project. Okay. Terima kasih. Oh, forgot. Sorry. Before I end this, what we need to do is click on post process. Okay. Make sure you know where the program went, to the where the program went, what is your output folder. Click post. Okay, click post. Rename the program with your favorite number. Okay, click save. Okay, this is HSM, Autodesk HSM edit will on, will buka. So here it will list out your NC program. Okay, so to complete the task, the things that you need to submit is NC program one, and then the other one is setup sheet. Okay, setup sheet. Find the folder that you can open and remember. Okay, here. This is the setup sheet for the process. Alright. So, if kalau dah berjaya sampai sini, saya ucapkan tahniah. Kita sambung lagi dengan next project. Sekian, terima kasih.